Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I'm coming to you guys live from my home office here. And today we're going to be talking about sheet masks. What are they and how the heck do you use them? So stay tuned. So now that I'm in my 40s, I'm definitely into skincare, and I've done a lot of research, and it seems to be like the Korean K-beauty is really hot, and I've noticed that there's a lot of skincare products online, but the most consistent thing that they do in K-beauty is sheet masks. So I did a video that I found online of a company that offers 15 skin masks for $15, which was super awesome. And I'll put the video above so that you guys, if you want to take a look and take a chance and try a sheet mask, this is definitely a good company. I would recommend. But how do you use skincare skin sheet mask? So I've done my own research, so I said, you know what, since I'm learning, we can learn together, and I'll put the PDF below so that you guys, if you ever decide to get into sheet masks, you guys can see how to use a skincare mask. You guys can, a mask sheet, you guys can implement these tips. And again, I found a PDF, which I will put in the video description below. You guys can totally print it out, put it on your wall or in your bathroom so that you guys can take a look. So again, I found a company that gives you 15, and I just took 2 out. This is like a bubble sheet mask, and this is an avocado oil sheet mask. So it gave me a bunch of different masks for your eyes and stuff like that, but I'm just focusing on the sheet mask. So how do you use it? And I'll put the steps below also so that you guys can follow along. So number 1, if you watch anything about K-beauty, you know that they do double cleansing. So that doesn't mean you have to clean your face twice in the morning, but they want you to double cleanse, especially more importantly, is at night. Now, keep in mind, before you do a sheet mask, you gotta understand that there's gonna be moisture from the essence afterwards. So I saw that it was recommended that you should do these sheet masks before you go to bed, so that the essence from the mask oil, it just stays on your skin overnight to give you the best results for the morning. And another thing that was recommended, which I haven't seen, I only saw one person recommend this on YouTube, and I thought it was definitely a good idea, is to put all of your sheet masks in the fridge so that they stay cool and they don't get affected by the weather. Like I told you, I have a ton, so I have 15 to handle, which if I do once a week, that'll last me for 15 weeks. So if you don't want them in the bathroom, so where they would accumulate with moisture or get hot from when you take a shower, the refrigerator is like a really good idea. So that was one tip. I only saw one person provide that, so I'm sharing the goodness with you too. So definitely double wash, especially at night before you're doing the sheet mask. And then, so that was number 1. Number 2, you want to clean your face with a toner. That's going to definitely be the last step before you put the sheet. Well, not the last step, but that's going to be really good just to tone your face into one tone. And if you have to, you can pat it in. So that was number 2. That's a simple step. You do that with a cotton pad or cotton ball, whatever you have in your home. And then number 3, you want to apply an essence, whether maybe, because I get skincare products for K-beauty skincare products on a monthly basis. I'll put the description below. It's from a company called Beautique, which is the same company that I get my skincare mask. They have a subscription to just sheet masks, or they have a subscription to beauty products. If you don't have that, if you have a skincare, and I actually saw this tip from another YouTuber, what she did was before she put her skincare mask on, she actually put the essence all over, and the essence is really the liquid that is in the skincare, the sheet mask. So she wiped her entire face with the essence, so that when she put this sheet mask, it actually stuck to her face, so she can get as much as she could. Some people I saw that when they opened up their sheet mask, they actually use the excess while they were waiting for the sheet mask to finish, because usually it's like 15-30 minutes, something like that. They put it on their elbows, put it on their hands, put it on their necks, so that's good. So you take all the goodness from each sheet mask and you put it all over as many places. One lady put it all over her body because she had enough in excess. So if you don't have a serum and you don't have oil or you don't have essence, you can totally skip step number 3 and just use the essence from your sheet mask. And then number 4, you're gonna leave that on for whatever the directions say on the back. So each mask is gonna have a different time set. Definitely follow that. If you have to put it on your phone, follow that step, because I heard from another video that someone actually had a mask that was glued to their face because they slept with it for almost an hour. You don't want to do that because it totally defeated the purpose of that mask, because at that point it's totally dried out, your face is dried out, so you don't want that to happen. So just make sure that you pay attention to the instructions. So number 5, of course, remove the sheet mask. And again, what you want to do is when you remove it, you want to tap your face all over so that you're implementing and inputting all the essence from that mask onto your skin. Remember, if you're doing this at night, you kind of don't care if your face is moisturized, because it's a good thing. You want so much to be there. So if you continue to tap on your face, that infuses it into your skin. And then if you have excess, again, you can put those on your elbows, on your hands, on your neck, because if you don't want your face to look young, you want your entire body to look young too. So your neck is a part of your face if you think about it. So that'll keep it looking young. And number 6, kind of said it, but you want to tap and rub the essence that's left over from the mask so that it absorbs your entire skin. And I guess I'm saying this in a sense where very important to tip number 6 is do not rub this off, because it's kind of like, I saw another video mention this and it's a good idea, it's a good analogy. It's kind of like putting on nail polish and then you take the nail polish right off. What was the point of the whole of putting on the nail polish? So do not take this off. You want to leave it on your face. You're letting the magic from the essence not go to waste. So leave that on as long as possible. Rub it on your neck, on your arms, on your leg, on your chest, for wherever you need to, so that you get extra benefits from whatever. Because think about it, you guys know that avocado is very good for your skin. I have another one here, pomegranate. That stuff is really good for your skin. So if you not only can help benefit your face, but you can help benefit your entire body. So that was tip number 6. Number 7, if you have, apply eye cream. There's eye cream you can get from any company. I get subscriptions. If you guys want to take a look, I get subscriptions from many different subscription beauty companies. So if you have eye cream, put it under your eyelid, put it on your eyes to keep your eyes looking young, looking fresh. If you're doing the sheet mask during the day, then you definitely want to put that on. I use Dr. Brand. I got that from my FabFitFun subscription. I love that brand. So definitely whatever eye cream you're gonna put it on your eyes. Number 8, apply moisturizer after, and that helps lock everything in. Now the only thing with moisturizer is, and I have just an example, I have here one from Drunk Elephant I got from Sephora. You guys, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. I got that from Sephora, but the thing with moisturizing, if you have oily skin like I do, you kind of don't want that second set of moisturizer because the essence is moisture enough. But if you have dry skin, then you definitely want to moisturize yourself so that it locks everything in, because your skin needs the moisture. And then number 9, you want to apply sunscreen if you're using the sheet mask during the day or maybe in the morning and you want to go out throughout the day. Obviously you don't need sunscreen to go to bed. That's why you kind of could miss that step if you're not going outside. If you're doing this at night, you can totally bypass that step. And then number 10, last but not least, after all of that goodness, after all of the hard work, you get to say hello to beautiful, glowy, hydrated skin. So like I said, some people do this on a daily basis, some people do this on a weekly basis. I am doing this on a weekly basis because I can do this on my day off of work and I am totally relaxed, no worries in the world, and could just use this without having to rush that morning routine. I could never do this in the morning, so that would be super crazy. So hope this video helped you guys with 10 tips that I found. I'll put the PDF that I found below that I was basically following, but hope that helped you newbies. If you don't know anything about sheet mask, I hope that helped. If you do another trick, maybe another tip, if there's another tip that you guys recommend I do, definitely let me know, because I'm in this new sheet mask K-beauty journey. I would definitely love any tips. And if you guys want to know where I got all the 15, I mentioned it before, but if you guys want to see the one that I recommended, is from Mask Maven, and I got 15 masks for $15. And I will put their information below. This is the box that I unboxed. You probably saw that video link. I'll put it again. But with that being said, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Definitely stay tuned. If you dig videos like this, definitely subscribe and like, so I can keep bringing you guys some goodness on stuff that I'm using that I think you guys would benefit from. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and see you on the next video.